Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Rowena Baranco, 27 years old.
And you're from?
From Philippines.
Okay, are you single or married?
Single.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
Only one.
Only one. And who's taking care of your child?
My family.
Your family. When would you be able to start working?
Urgent.
Immediately?
Immediately.
Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
No.
Please describe your last job.
My last job is from Pakistani family. And then my second job is in Arabic family.
Arabic family. Okay, what were your duties and responsibilities?
My duties in Pakistani family is take care of the house and then also the groceries and then also cleaning.
How about for the local family?
For the local family, take care of the kids, cooking all the
Cooking. And then
also the
cleaning. Cleaning of the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you like most about your last job and why? What did you enjoy doing?
I enjoy playing with the kids and then
So you enjoy
and so
playing with the kids.
Yeah.
Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. For example, how are you going to clean the bedroom?
First, I will clean the bed. I will remove the dirty pillows or I will change the bed sheet if necessary. Okay, and then I will clean the floors. I will do dusting and then vacuum and then also mop.
Okay, and then after that?
Yes.
Put?
Yes, I will put the new bed sheet and then.
Okay, so you will put the new bed sheets. Okay, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
First, I will call my employers. I will inform them that there is a delivery man come, and then I will ask them if they expected that delivery.
Okay, good. So, do you know how to cook?
A little.
What kind of foods you can cook?
Arabic food.
Okay, what kind of Arabic foods you can prepare?
Their basic food like biryani and then what was salona and then what else?
Okay, so are you willing to learn how to
Yes.
prepare other dishes?
Yes.
Okay. So, as a nanny, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Most is playing with them. Yes. And then
Playing with them, aside from playing with the children. What else? Do you read the
yes, I'm reading their
reading stories for them?
reading stories
Also. Okay, so what do children like best about you?
because I'm loving person and then I
You're
take care there.
okay. You're a loving person and you're what's that? Nurturing. It's okay. So, if one of the children hurts himself, what will you do?
First, I will comfort that baby, and
And
then if too much hurt that one, I will call my employer, or I will call my madam. I will inform them that the baby hurt.
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Yes.
Give example. When are you going to say no to a child?
Example, if the baby asking night things, I'm not allowed to give them like that.
Okay. If it is dangerous for the
Yes.
children,
Yes.
you will say no.
Yes.
If it is good for them, it's okay to say yes. The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
First, I will change the clothes of the baby, and then second, give them food, and then yeah, and then make them busy, and then after 6 o'clock, I will give them dinner.
Okay. So, what kind of a housemaid and nanny are you? Describe yourself.
As a nanny, I'm loving for the kids, and then
Respectful.
yes.
loving to the kids, and respectful to your employer. Okay, please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
You can hire me because I'm industrious. I can also do all your
do
all the words you ask to me, and then you can trust me.
Okay. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from ATV.com. Thank you.